Hi, this is a basic introduction to an Excel workbook. You'll see that I've got the workbook opened up over here. And you can see that it's laid out in a grid type manner. So up here you'll see A, B, C, all the way through Z, and then once it goes past Z, it goes into AA, AB, AC, AD, and that pattern continues on for a number. Chances are, right now, you won't be using more columns than are needed, or that you'll see generally here, but just let you know it goes on. And then you'll see here where we have our rows that get numbered going down, so 1 through a lot is what all you need to know for right now. So you've got your columns here and your rows here. An intersection between each row and column is called a cell. So this cell here is called A1, and as just a little side note, you'll see A1 up here. That's the name of the cell. That's what it's referenced as. If I click here, you'll see that changes to D2. So it's under column D and in row 2. So that's called D2. Notice when I click the column D, it'll say D1 because the whole column is selected. If I select a row for A2, the whole row, it shows A2 because it's going to select the first active that is under column A and row number 2. So those are the cells, and then another thing to know, there's also a term, a range. So a range of cells would be if you're selecting more than one cell. So I'm selecting B3 right here. If I were to select B3 all the way to all the way to D3, that would be a range of B3 to D3. If I extended that range to say this here, that's still the B3 is starting it, and the bottom right cell is cell D10, so that would be a range of B3 to D10. Each workbook Excel file is broken up into worksheets. So you'll see here you get sheet 1. I don't have any others, but if I can add another worksheet, and if I do something in this worksheet, so if I just type in cell A1 hi, and then I go to sheet 2, you'll see cell A1 isn't in there because it's a different worksheet. So I type bye. So you see that's sheet 2, that's sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 1. Up here is your address bar or your formula bar, and you can type in whatever you type in here is gonna show up on the in the cell that your active cell that you're selected at the time. So I type directly into the cell A1. I can do the same thing if I click in here, hi, and see how it shows up in cell B1 as well as in the formula bar, just what I wrote. I need to, if I want that to stay, I can just click out of it, or I can hit enter, and that'll keep it in there as well. Later on, during another video, I'll talk about formulas themselves. But as far as just writing in data, numbers, or text, that's all you do for that.